Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird on the planet. Known for its incredible speed, the fastest bird, both in level flight and when diving, is the peregrine falcon. When it dives or stoops, the peregrine falcon can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. This incredible speed makes it the fastest animal on the planet during its hunting stoop, making it a fearsome hunter. The peregrine falcon's speed is truly awe-inspiring, and it's a remarkable hunter, known for its precision and agility in the sky. These birds of prey are found on every continent except Antarctica and thrive in a variety of habitats, from coastal cliffs to city skyscrapers. After facing significant declines due to pesticide use, conservation efforts have helped peregrine falcon populations recover. Today, they're a symbol of wildlife conservation success. The peregrine falcon is a well-respected falconry bird due to its strong hunting ability, high trainability, versatility, and availability via captive breeding. It is effective on most game bird species, from small to large. It has also been used as a religious, royal, or national symbol across multiple eras and areas of human civilization. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the peregrine falcon, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife wonders.